Today, we are making Miso Marinated Baked Salmon in a beautiful homemade lemon garlic broth. This baked salmon is packed with protein and heart-healthy fats that don't skimp on flavor. This is the ultimate fusion pairing of bold Japanese flavors and bright Mediterranean citrus. Let's start by combining 2 tablespoons of sake or mirin to make the marinade for the salmon. Next, add in 1 tablespoon of avocado oil, a quarter teaspoon of toasted sesame seed oil, 2 teaspoons of soy sauce. To achieve that deep golden crust, add 2 tablespoons of sugar. And of course, we can't forget the star ingredient, 2 tablespoons of Yellow Miso Paste. Mix it all together until it's perfectly combined. Pour the marinade over to a large storage container. Now, take about 400 grams of salmon. Slice the fillet in half if it isn't already. Place the fish into the container skin side down first, then give it a flip to ensure every side is completely coated. Let it marinate in the fridge for 30 minutes to let those flavors soak in. Once the salmon is marinated, lay the fillet onto a parchment-lined baking dish and bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 12 to 15 minutes. Then, turn up the heat to broil for another 3 to 5 minutes. With the salmon in the oven, we can focus on our homemade broth. We'll begin the flavor base by dicing up a half a cup of red onion and sautéing it in a saucepan with a bit of oil over medium-high heat. Next, we're adding the rest of our aromatics. Dice up a half a cup of carrot and half a cup of celery. Then toss those into the saucepan as well. Stir these for a few minutes until they're softened. Up next, press 2 cloves of garlic right into the mix. Stir that in for a few minutes or so. Add 2 cups of chicken or fish stock and bring it to a boil. This is where the broth truly starts to come together. Now season with salt and pepper. This part is completely optional. If you're a fan of creamy sauces, feel free to stir in a cup of heavy cream. To give the broth that bright acidity that perfectly complements our rich salmon, squeeze in about 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice. This citrus really cuts through the miso and brings the whole dish to life. Continue stirring gently until the broth reaches a light simmer. Strain out the veggies and any other bits into a fresh pot, then give it a final stir. This leaves us with all that deep flavor without any of the bulk. It's time to serve it up. Simply pour the broth into a wide bowl. We love pairing this with some tender steamed bok choy for a pop of green, then just gently place the salmon fillet right on top. And there you have it. This dish has a perfect harmony of flavors, blending the deep, savory umami of the miso marinade with the bright, citrusy leaf of the lemon garlic broth. We hope you love this miso salmon, and with that, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the recipe, please remember to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Until then, we will see you next time for more quick, easy, and delicious recipes.